So in the given problem is asking the double integration of this function. So if you try to solve this directly, it's a little bit difficult because here there are two functions e power minus y comma 1 by y. It is very difficult to select which one I have to choose as u and which one I have to choose as v. So for that, it's better to do this integration by the change of order of integration. So first I'll plot the function. So the function is, if you see here, these are the limits of x. So x limits are constant and y limit is varying. So if you see here, x equal to 0 to infinity, so that means this is x equal to 0 and this is x equal to infinity, and the limits of y are y equal to x. So this is y equal to x and y equal to infinity. So somewhere here y equal to infinity. So this is the area we have to find out. This is the area he is asking. So which strip he has taken? If you see the limits of x as a constant, so that means he has considered the strip as a vertical strip. So this is the strip whose x limits are from x equal to 0 to infinity and y limits are y equal to x to y equal to infinity. Now I want to change the strip, that is the change of order of integration. So instead of selecting vertical strip, now I will choose a horizontal strip. So this strip is moving from down to up. So what are the limits of this strip, horizontal strip? Now the order of integration is changing. That means this will become dx and this will become dy. So y limits are constant. Now if you see this strip, y is from 0 to infinity is varying, 0 to infinity, and the limits of x are, so one limit of x is this one, x equal to 0, and the other limit is this, x equal to y. So x equal to 0 to y e power minus y by y. So now I have to simplify this. This is equal to this value. So this is 0 to infinity. So here I am doing with respect to x. So this is all constant. So x into e power minus y by y. The limits are from 0 to y into dy. So this is equal to, if I substitute x equal to y, so this will become y into e power minus y by y minus, this is x, if I substitute 0, it will become 0. So this is 0 to infinity dy, y gets cancelled. So for e power minus y, integration is e power minus y by minus 1, 0 to infinity. This is equal to minus of, if I substitute infinity, 0, minus if I substitute 0, it will be 1. So its value is 1.